another voting and nomination for SB19. This is a poll, Billboard Philippine poll, which P-pop release will enter the Billboard Philippines charts. Is it Burn the Flame of SB19? Is it Flames by Beanie? Destino by Alamat? The Dissection of Eve by G22? Or Baduy by Wink? Well, for sure, ang pinaka-supportive na fanbase ang papasok. Samantala, ibahagi naman natin ang letter ni Pinunong Pablo para sa mga fans after nating maibahagi yung kay Stel. Ania, the first time I stepped on stage to perform, I felt something different and special. I could sense myself slowly entering the state of euphoria. That's when I know what I was going to do in life. But before anything else, music had always been a big part of me. For me, it's an outlet, a God-given device to help me cope with all my emotions and to be able to share it with people and know that they could relate to it. And somehow, it affected their lives gives me comfort and peace of mind. I never knew helping myself could be a way to help others. Thank you for believing in us. You are our strength and our safe haven. And as we promise, SB19 will remain the same. And if ever there's change, everything's just going to get better. Isn't it ironic how we've kept our feet on the ground yet? You lifted us up. Roots for fruit. I hope you never get tired of supporting us and listening to our stories. We hope we could inspire more through our music and be their light in times of darkness. Love ya. John Paulo Nase. Yan nga ang nakakaantig na sulat o mensahe ni Pablo Nase para sa kanilang mga fans ng SB19 at ang sariling fans na humahanga sa kanya. At ayon din kay Pablo, ang talento na iyon ay regalo at binigay sa kanya ng Panginoong Diyos. Kaya naman ito daw ay kanyang gagamiting inspirasyon para sa mga tao na may mga problema at dahil sa napapakinggan nila ang music na kanya nga pong isinusulat, ito'y nakakatulong upang ang mga taong nakikinig nito ay magkaroon ng magandang bukas. Anyway, ang maganda sa sinabi ni Pablo ay hindi niya inaangkin ang sarili niyang karunungan, kundi alam niya na ang kanyang talent is a God-given talent. Yan ang ating show, The Stop Update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.